Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. How's it going? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get lifelong customers with Appstle memberships on Shopify. And if you've been paying attention, I actually did a video on Appstle a few months ago talking about how to set up subscriptions the right way. And I'm going to show you how to do memberships the right way over here. Definitely want to take a look at that video. You could check it out on my YouTube or take a look at the link below. But over here, we're going to be talking about Appstle memberships and how they're going to help you generate lifelong customers. And this is really the best part, and it's a very popular Shopify strategy. It's actually just a very popular e-commerce strategy right now. And the idea is that we want to get recurring monthly revenue. That can completely change the numbers of your business. When you could start to get revenue automatically on, let's say, the 1st of the month or the 15th of the month, when people have these monthly memberships or annual memberships and a lot of different options in terms of how to set it up. The whole idea is that by offering memberships and perks, you can get Shopify store customers for life. Hopefully every single month, just recurring over and over and over. And you set that up by using Appstle. And the reason that you need to use Appstle, first of all, it's the best solution out there for memberships, but there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. So you're going to need to use an app. And the app needs to be easy to use and require no prior technical skills. That's a big thing, right? We're marketers, we're entrepreneurs, but we're not developers. So we want to have apps that are easy to use. And in this case, the app must offer different membership options, different tiers, different benefits and perks and reasons for wanting to join the membership and pay for a membership, and then also have membership management options like billing and canceling and hopefully not canceling and things like that, all built into the app. And that's why you're going to use Appstle memberships. This is what I use. This is what I highly recommend. Again, talked about that other video in terms of showing you the step-by-step on here. But you see the link directly below this video to jump into Appstle memberships. I highly recommend it. It's incredibly powerful, and I'm going to walk you through exactly why it's going to help grow your business. So this is the Appstle membership app, and again, you see the link directly below this video. You'll be able to jump into it and you press get started and be brought right over into the Shopify page. And I want to quickly show you 4.9 out of 5 stars on over 150, 160 reviews. Appstle membership is by far the top solution when it comes to memberships and recurring revenue and all that great stuff that we need, even auto billing and all that great stuff. All the features, I'll walk you through them, that you need to build that perfect membership site. You're going to get it through Appstle. So again, link below, works for Shopify and Shopify Plus, of course. And this is going to allow you to have that really cool, really fully functional membership system in your site. You'll be able to sell recurring and tiered membership plans that are going to drive that recurring monthly. Every single month you're going to get paid revenue and sales, right? The best part about that, let's say you acquire your customer on Facebook ads or TikTok ads like most of you are doing. You only need to acquire the customer once. You're going to rebill them every month or every quarter or however you set up your recurring and tiered memberships. And you have full control over how to do that in Appstle. You're going to be able to provide member-only discounts and perks. This is going to basically incentivize people to become members. You could even gate access to products and pages and different portals. So you're giving the members extra access and kind of keeping extra things hidden as another hook or incentive for people to join. They also have great support over there at Appstle. And a lot of different huge brands are using the membership app here by Appstle to basically run their entire membership site and their recurring revenue system all through this app. And you really don't need anything else besides Appstle. It's going to give you the full membership suite where you'll be able to have unlimited membership tiers and custom plans. So you'll be able to have something, let's say, for example, the bronze tier or the silver tier or the gold tier. And each one will have different benefits, right? Bronze might get 5% off and a flat rate shipping. Silver might get 10% off and free shipping. Gold might get 15% off and expedited shipping and a free gift, right? So you could have all these different tiers, right? So it doesn't have to just be member or non-member. You could have level membership with different kind of tiers, different ways for people to get benefits, and really the biggest reason, different reasons for them to sign up, right, and jump into your recurring revenue system so you can get paid every single month. And there are lots of different advanced features over here, product gating. So you could even have, let's say, a new product release. You could make it for members only, and you could make that product page only accessible to members, let's say, for the first 5 days. So if you want to get in, or if you want to get a little preview sale, or if you want to get first dibs, or if you have a product that sells out, right, another incentive for memberships. Very easy to do through Appstle because they have product gating. So it's member exclusivity for products, but it could also be for pages or for, let's say, a page where you have a live stream on or a video on. You want it to be members only. You could easily do that over here. Lots of different cool, innovative revenue-related benefits here. So price discounts, shipping benefits, free products and gifts, right? Again, this is all about the incentives here, but these are going to be automated through the Appstle membership app as well. So we're not going to have to go and manually do a 5% discount or give someone a 10% refund or anything like that. If they're, in this example, in the silver, they're automatically going to get 10% off when they're doing their checkout, or in this case, free shipping, right? It really just depends on whatever the specific benefit and perk you set up there. Bottom line is the Appstle membership app is going to help this all be automated for you. So you just install the app, configure a few things, and then you're up and running with a custom membership on top of your Shopify store. Very powerful. Really cool things as well in terms of timeline, right? You could do a weekly membership, do a monthly membership. You could really set up any type of timeline that you want, whatever works best for your business. I think really, let's say you're doing a consumer goods product, probably monthly, right? You'd want to do a monthly membership there, getting that recurring revenue build every single month. Maybe if you have a more usable product that people can use every week, you could do weekly. A lot of people on the digital side of things can use this for a 1-week coaching membership or a 1-month coaching membership. So a lot of different creative ways to use the Appstle subscription app over here. I'm sorry, the Appstle membership app, I should say. And again, you see the link to Shopify app over here. And really, I'm kind of just going over all the features that are going to be inside here and different pricing tiers. Of course, you see all of the huge reviews, almost entirely 5 out of 5 star reviews over here, where you really get all of the different aspects to membership. And again, I also have that previous video linked below in terms of showing the actual step-by-step to get this in here. But there's really just kind of, especially if you're comparing this to other membership apps that are out there in Shopify, this is by far the most powerful solution out there, the most features, and more importantly, the most flexibility. You see that there are just tons and tons of different options here just for perks. For example, giving perks basically that are locked or limited to specific actions or pages or even people, right? And you can kind of configure that based on not only the perk that you want, but the membership tier that it gets associated with. You're going to be able to collect first-party data in a safe and secure manner. Again, everything built in, whether it's forms or obviously the checkout, right? Everything is going to be fully automated here and fully protected, so you're not going to have to worry about that. And really, this is just, again, a good part of any good app on Shopify. You're not going to have to worry about really any of the technical details here. You're going to be able to just leverage this as a tool to help you grow your business. Recurring billing and membership management, this is the whole, the kind of part that you as a business owner like the most. This is going to be seeing where you're doing that automatic monthly or whatever period billing that you're doing. You'll be able to review all that. You could take a look at individual billings in terms of, let's say, last month's bill, or you could take a look at a certain customer and see how many months they've been on there, take a look at all their bills. You can see their next renewal date. You could even do membership changes. Let's say you needed to manually cancel someone's membership or something like that. You could do that all inside here. And there's also API access and automation. So you can get some really, really advanced membership functionality. This is where a developer would come in, really advanced functionality that, would just be very specific to the needs of your business. So you can get started with just the Appstle app. It has everything and more than you need. And if you really want to take it to the next level, you could integrate things into the API as well and build some real cool custom combinations in there. Security, of course, taken care of. And a lot of times we gloss over that, but it is obviously super important. Really something that hopefully we never have to deal with, because the security and the stability, they take care of that over on Appstle. Great support over here as well. I've been working with Appstle for a while. They always reply incredibly quickly and always have people that actually know what they're talking about. So great support over there. They have actually a lot of different apps as well. You could take a look at Appstle's apps and their company and their products in terms of different things that are offered over here. But it really kind of works hand in hand when you talk about subscriptions, memberships, loyalty, and rewards, right? It's about the idea of getting people to stick on your store and getting them to pay and engage more than just once, right? It's about creating that compelling brand where you have multiple opportunities to make money from the same customer. So really powerful there. And again, enterprise and huge Shopify Plus brands are using Appstle as well, especially leveraging those APIs for custom needs. So really powerful. Definitely, you want to take a look at this. So all you need to do to install the app, you can come over here to Apps in the back end of your Shopify store and click the Shopify App Store button, or you see the link directly below this video. It's going to bring you right into the Appstle link. And we'll come over here and type in Appstle memberships. You'll see it pop up right over here, and you'll be able to get that 14-day free trial. So you could install that and have 14 days to play with it. All you need to do is press Add App. I'm going to show you real quick the different pricing tiers. And again, you're going to get that 14-day free trial. And you have a free to install plan as well. It's going to give you up to 50 members. You're going to get membership management, member perks, really all kind of the benefits of using Appstle membership. Again, they're going to be able to manage everything internally in their own account. And then there's different tiers, right? You can have all of what you get in free, and then you can get up to 100 members. You get the advanced membership management over here, and it keeps going up from there. On the business, you can get up to 500 members, and on the enterprise, you get up to 750 members. You also get API and webhooks. The custom email, HTML, this is pretty cool. It gives you a lot of great branding options over here, especially with cancellation management, which is really cool in terms of keeping people from leaving, really reducing that churn, keeping the members paying every single month, which is what we want. Again, we want to acquire that customer one time and then get them to continue to pay for us, pay for that membership every month. So all you need to do is press the Add App button. Once you press this, it's going to bring you back into your Shopify store, where you'll then press Install App. This is just going to make the connection between the store and the app so everything can work automatically. Over here is where you're going to select your pricing plan, and you can get a discount if you go with the annual plan. You'll get 20% off on the annual. And we come over here, and again, we'll be able to start our free trial over here. So I'm going to go with the business plan over here and start the free trial. You'll then approve the charge over here to move into the next step. Again, you're going to have that 14-day free trial before you get charged. And that's all you need to do to install the app. Then you're going to be able to configure the membership widget. Over here, it's a two-step process. First, we're going to activate the embedded block. You'll see we come over here into the online theme editor, and you'll see that we'll be able to actually enable the membership widget. That's step one. So right over here, we're just going to enable this. I want to make sure that we save over here, step one. Then we come back over here, step two, and we're going to select whichever theme we're using. Default nowadays is Dawn. We're using the Dawn theme. You could select from all the different themes in there. You pick yours, then you press save. So very easy to kind of get started. And then we're going to be able to be brought into the dashboard. So it's just saying, installation complete, congratulations. You can go into creating your first membership. I'm going to walk you through kind of everything that you need to go or need to understand inside of the back end. And this is going to be where you see all your stats and all that great stuff. But really, it's just a few steps. We're going to be able to set up our entire membership settings. And it's going to all start over here inside of this dashboard. And of course, analytics reports. Save that for later. Once you have some data, you'll be able to see the total number of members and all the different reporting that you can get in. But we want to go to membership plans and perks. This is going to be where we're actually going to be able to set up our first membership plan. And this is going to be the first step to actually creating something that people are going to be able to sign up for. And we're going to walk through this. It's very easy. You'll be able to get this in just a few seconds. We're going to start off over here. We see our membership name. So I gave it a product name over here. I also created a product in the back end, literally just a product called the VIP Club. You can set the price. If you didn't already create a product, you could just click here to create a product. Otherwise, I'm going to go into select products, and we're going to be able to find, if I type in VIP, we'll select that. Now we come down here, we have membership plan. This is going to be the different levels and frequency. So for example, we could put every month, and then we could do a monthly club, and we could have renewal. And if you don't know what any of these things are, for example, frequency, right, it's going to tell you how frequently you'll be charged, what the members are going to see when they sign up in terms of the different options. If you had, let's say, a weekly, monthly, or annual. Over here is going to be the minimum number of billing iterations. Basically, we could set like a minimum, let's say 3-month minimum or something like that. We could also leave it blank. Maximum over here, if it's going to set to expire, let's say they sign up for a year, you give them, let's say 12 months, or if they do for a 3-month thing, you could do things like that, especially if you want to create giftable memberships where there's a kind of maximum time period. Here we could have discounts over here. So for example, members only, we could do something like 10% discount. We could even do something like a $5 off, right? We could have all this kind of set up automatically. And these are the perks that will get people to sign up. So they'll obviously be charged X amount of dollars per month. We set that as in our product, in this case, $25. We can give them perks like a $5 coupon every month. And we could even definitely set up discounts after a number of cycles over here. You could offer a trial period as well. Very popular way to get people in, especially if you have digital content. Offer them a trial period over here. You could say 14-day free trial and come over here 14 days, or you could do 3-month trial, whatever you want. You just be able to put it right over here. I'll turn that off for now. So we'll be able to have different membership plans and different kind of setups here to fit our needs in terms of how we're going to offer it. A lot of really popular ones are monthly or annual, and typically you give a discount for people that are going to pay for the annual up front. So we're creating that membership plan right here. Another cool thing that we can do is set up membership perks in terms of very specific actions. For example, we could limit access to the add to cart button. So let's say we're going to have a product that launches, we could have only available for people to check out or add it to their cart if they're, let's say, at least a monthly member or a annual member or whatever type of membership you want. And you see the different actions that we could have here: limit specific access to pages, collections, blog posts, add to cart buttons. So basically everyone could see the product, but only people with membership can check out. We have exclusive discounts as well: free shipping discount, percentage discount. We could show different templates, so basically show them a whole different page. So you could introduce branding, so they're on a page, if they're logged in, it will say, hey, welcome VIP member. Or you could even just show different items or different parts of pages based on their membership here. You have full access to kind of creating these different perks. And again, this is a really great tool that Appstle offers because it's going to differentiate your membership from other ones. It's going to kind of add additional reasons for people to sign up. And you could add these on a membership plan basis. So each level could have their own type. And when you create them, you just go in here and save. Right, we'll just kind of delete this one for now. But you could have as many as you want attached to your membership plans. And again, really everything that you're going to see is accessible inside of this dashboard. You can get the app installed in your store ASAP. Right, free plan is available. You get a 14-day free trial as well, different pricing tiers based on your needs. And you'll be able to get powerful memberships in your store and really unlock an incredibly powerful way to make money every single month without needing to acquire a customer again. Right? If your entire business is paid ads driving customers, well, that is great. It works very well. But think about this: with memberships, you use paid ads, you get them to sign up for the membership, they pay, and the next month they pay again, and the month after that they pay again, but you're not running ads to them anymore. You've already acquired that customer. That's why recurring revenue and memberships is really the holy grail of an e-commerce business, and why you definitely need to be using Appstle memberships in your store. So again, link directly below this video. I hope this helps you kind of understand the benefits of Appstle. It's a must install in your store. So get it in there. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks.